Welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making a cozy layered sauerkraut casserole. Super hearty, super simple, and always a winner. Let's get the rice going. Just cook it away the package size or pop it into a rice maker if you have got one. Super easy and it's ready by the time we need it. Mince up one onion and drop it into a pan with little oil. Let it saute gently until it softens and turns slightly golden. Give it a stir now and then so it cooks evenly. You will notice that sweet smell starting to build. That's your flavor base waking up. Let it take a moment. This part really makes the casserole taste homemade. Add your ground meat, half beef, half pork, right into the pan with those softened onions. Let it start cooking and gently break it apart so it browns evenly. Keep it moving here and there so nothing sticks in one spot. You will see the meat slowly losing the raw color and the aroma getting richer. Give it a little extra moment to cook off some of the moisture. That helps all the flavors settle in and makes the next steps even better. 2 teaspoons of ground red pepper go in first, followed by a generous shake of black pepper. Mix it in slowly so the spices melt into the meat and everything takes on the warm, rich color. Add a little salt and give it another good stir. Take a small taste, carefully, just to check the balance. If it feels like it needs a touch more salt or a bit more pepper, go ahead and adjust it. Let the meat cook with the seasoning for a short moment so the flavors really settle in. You will notice the aroma deepen and the color tone up nicely, which tells you it's exactly where it needs to be. Slice your sausages into roughly 1/4-inch rounds and toss them straight into the pan. Let them warm through with the meat so they soften a bit and release their flavor. Give everything a gentle mix and you will notice the aroma get even richer as the sausage blends in with the spices. Add your cooked rice straight into the pan and mix it in gently so it blends with the meat and sausage. Take a moment to combine everything well. You want those grains picking up all the flavor. When it looks evenly mixed and the rice is warm through, you are good to go for the next part. Grab your sauerkraut, drain it well, and that's it. Don't rinse it. We want all that good flavor to stay in. Grab your baking pan and we are building this casserole in simple layers. Start with a nice even layer of the meat mixture on the bottom. Just spread it out gently so it covers the whole base. Add a layer of sauerkraut right on top, making sure it reaches all the corners. Don't press it down too hard. Keep it a little loose, helps the flavors blend while it bakes. Repeat the same process. Another layer of meat, then another layer of sauerkraut. Take your time with this part. The more even the layers, the better every bite takes later. You will see it start to build up into a proper hearty casserole, and that's exactly what we are going for. In a small bowl, combine your sour cream with the milk and mix it until it's completely smooth. It should look like a light pourable sauce, no lumps. Give it a moment to loosen up. The milk helps it spread over the casserole instead of just sitting in one spot. When it's nice and creamy, pour it slowly over the entire top of the pan. Let it seep between the layers a little. That's what gives the casserole that soft creamy middle and a beautiful golden top when it bakes. Make sure the whole surface is covered, even the edges, so every bite comes out just right. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees of Fahrenheit. Slide the pan into your preheated oven and let it bake for about 30 minutes, just until the top turns a beautiful golden color. You will see the edges bubbling a little and the sour cream forming a soft crust. That's when you know it's perfect. Let it sit for a moment after baking so the layers settle and stay nice when you scoop it out. And that's our layered sauerkraut casserole, all golden and cozy. It's perfect just like this, but if you want to brighten the plate a bit, add some fresh veggies or a few pickles on the side. It really balances everything and makes the whole dish feel even more complete. It's one of those meals that tastes like it took all day, even though it's actually pretty simple. Thanks so much for watching and cooking along with me today. I love sharing these comfort dishes with you, and I hope this one becomes a regular in your kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe for more dishes here on Simply Food Recipes. Plenty more cozy old school favorites are coming your way, so stay tuned. You don't want to miss what's next.